Morning guys. Well, I did a video this morning of some clips of videos that I did in 2018, and I was thinking that there must be loads and loads of new skywatchers who are filming and aren't really sure just how to do a video. Well, I edit mine the simplest way possible. I haven't got an expensive photo editor. I have downloaded a couple, but I don't know, I just like to keep it as simple as possible, really. I used to upload my videos to YouTube and do a lot of my editing on there because you could cut, you could slow down, you could add music, you could do contrast, but now I don't even bother to edit them. I might edit some photos and add them, but I tend to just let them go. So this is one from this morning. I've got the sound off, so I'll play a bit. So there's a lot of background noise from the video that I'm editing, plain noise, and then the sky gets very interesting a bit later on with something over the sun at the end here. So I'll edit that and show you what I do. So stop the vid. You've got an edit and create button here. So there's a drop down menu and you want create a video with text. So click that and it will start a project. New video. So it's not been letting it name it recently. So we'll just leave it as new video, but it has been playing up a bit. So we've just got this one video and we don't want the sound because we're going to add music. So double click on this here, the sound thing on there. Stop it and click that on and off. See, you can click the sound out, so we've got no sound now. Yeah, and we don't want this whole video. We don't want, it's nice, but I just really want this end bit here and where this comes in here. So we'll have a little bit of the coming in. Yeah, stop it. And then you've got 3D effects, motion, text, filters, resize, trim. So we want trim. You've got two ends to work from. So I want to take off the front bit to there. Don't worry, it will do it. Click done. So this is what my video will look like. It's 240. Yeah, so now we want some music. So go here at the top, change music, narration and volume. But first I'm going to show you a couple of sites where you can get really good music. MacLeod in Computech.com. Yeah, this is a bit of Sartre, yeah. So if you think that you like that, click download. And I'll show you this other site. This is Zabriskie as well. He's another guy who does some awesome free music, real sky sort of music, you know. I've used a lot of Chris's music, and his tend to be very mournful as well. 211, remember trees. Often get a slow build with his. Yeah. So we got our music here. I'm going to close this so that it might make everything run a little bit better. So back to your film. Go to this icon here, little audio icon. Music. Get 2 drop down boxes, recommended, and this is their own music, which they don't have a lot of, but you can use it. Some of them are okay. I've used a couple. Go to your music. Now when you go to your music, it'll say none, but above it will say select music file. Go there and it will take you straight to your folder where you've got any downloaded music, with a bit of luck. Yeah. Now this is some music from an album that I used. Go to downloads, Zabriskie, and let's find my Kevin MacLeod. MacLeod number 2, open, there it is, done. So take it back to the beginning. Yep. Now you might want to put in an end picture. So go to add photos and videos. You've got from this PC, from my collection. Now if you go to collect your collection, it will show you your photos album. If you go from this PC, it will show you all your files. I'll go to pictures. I'll go to my Google Plus save pictures because I got some nice end sky shots here. I used a dragon, I think. I'll put my dragon at the end, and then we want to put thank you for watching, thanks for watching. So go to text and then pick the style you want. Type your text in. Thanks for watching. And I like to have it at the bottom. And you got electric, chilled, adventure, I do loved. Done. Yeah. Go back a little bit so you can see how it pans out. And there you go. So that's done. And go to this button here. Let's just make it a bit bigger so you can see what I'm doing. Export or share. So click that, and then I go to best for sharing online, and then